गुड आफ्टरनुन क्लास। आज मैले क्लास 12 साइन्सको स्टुडेन्टलाई फाइनल टर्ममा 4 मार्क्समा सोधिने प्रायः जसो टपिक्स बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रिब्युसनको बारेमा डिस्कस गर्न गएको छु। प्रोबेबिलिटीको बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रिब्युसन गर्नुभन्दा पहिला त्यसमा केही पोइन्टहरू सम्झनु पर्ने हुन्छ। ती पोइन्ट्सहरूको बारेमा हामी पहिला डिस्कस गर्छौँ। बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रिब्युसन की points. 1 number, P equals probability of success, Q equals probability of failure, N equals number of trials, mean X bar equals NP, standard deviation sigma equals square root NPQ, variance sigma square equals NPQ, variance is square of standard deviation. Formula of standard deviation is square root NPQ, then variance equals sigma square equals NPQ. Combination, we use the formula of combination in binomial distribution. The combination of n objects taken r at a time c n comma r equals n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. Therefore, combination c n comma r equals n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. Probability of success PR equals c n comma r q to the power n minus r p to the power r. Binomial distribution q plus p whole power n. Binomial distribution is p plus q to the power whole power n. Then number p plus q equal to 1. These points we use in binomial distribution. In each question we use p plus q equal to 1 also there. We use the formula of combination, formula probability of success PR, P, Q, R. These are the notation in probability. Question number 1. The probability of a man hitting a target, probability of a man hitting a target is 1/4. If he fires 5 times, what is the probability of his hitting the target exactly thrice, at least thrice? Here is question is probability of a man hitting a target is 1/4. This one is P. If he fires 5 times, means he practice 5 times, it means n equals 5. Then we can find Q. What is the probability of is hitting the target exactly thrice? And second I is at least thrice. Exactly thrice means R equals 5. At least thrice means R equals 3 or 4 or 5. Solution. The probability of a man hitting a target is 1/4. That is P equals probability of success equals 1/4. Now our formula is P plus Q equal to 1. Total sum is 1 in probability. Then Q equals 1 minus P. 1 minus 1/4. 4 is LCM. 4 minus 1, 3. 3/4. Therefore, value of Q is 3/4 and value of P is 1/4. Number of trials n equals 5. Here is P equals 1/4, Q equals 3/4, and number of trials n equal to 5. I number, the probability of hitting a target, probability of hitting a target exactly thrice, that means P r equal to 3 equals C n comma r q to the power n minus r p to the power r. C n is 5, r is 3. Then value of q is 3/4. 3/4 to the whole power is 5 minus 3. 1/4 whole power is 3. It means formula of C n comma r is n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. N is 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. This one is 3 by 4 whole power square. This one is 1 by 4 whole cube is 1 by 64. That is, this value is 10, and this one is 3 square 9 by 4 square 16 multiply 1 by 64. This simplification is 0.08789. This is the probability of is eating target exactly thrice. Then we will do second I. The probability of is hitting a target at least thrice. At least thrice means at least 3 or greater than 3. This PR is greater than or equal to 3 equals PR equals 3 plus PR equals 4 plus PR equals 5. That is formula C n comma R means 5 comma 3. Q is 3 by 4. Whole power is n minus R means 5 minus 3. P to the power R is 1 by 4 to the power 3 plus. Here is R is 4, then C n comma R is C 5 comma 4. Q to the power n minus R means 3 by 4, whole power is 5 minus 4. P to the power R is 1 by 4 to the power 4 plus C 5 comma 5. Q to the power n minus R is 5 minus 5. Q is 3 by 4, whole power is 5 minus 5. P to the power R is 1 by 4, whole power is 5. This factor is C n comma R is n factorial over n minus R factorial times R factorial. It means 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. This one is 3 by 4 whole square times 1 by 4 whole cube is 1 by 64 plus 5 factorial over 5 minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial. 3 by 4 whole power is 5 minus 4 1, and 1 by 4 whole power is 4 is 1 by 256 plus 5 factorial over 5 minus 5 factorial times 5 factorial. 3 by 4 whole power is 0. 1 by 4 to the power 5 is 1 by 1024. This value is 10. This one is 9 by 16. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16 times 1 by 64 plus this value is only 5. 3 by 4 times 1 by 256 plus this value is 1. 0 factorial is 1. 5 factorial 5 we can quote. Then 1 by 1024. This all LCM is 1024. And here is 9 multiplied 10 is 90 plus 5 multiplied 3 is 15 plus 1. This gives 106 by 1024. This means 53 over 512. This is the probability of hitting a target at least thrice. Then we'll discuss next question. Question number 2. If 20% of electric balls manufactured by a company are defective, find the probability that out of 4 balls chosen 8 randoms, I numbers 1, second I 0, third I 8, most 2 blobs will be defective. Look here, solution. If 20% of electric blobs manufactured by a company are defective, that defective probability is P equal to 20% equals 20 by 100 equals 1 by 5. Then our formula is P plus Q equal to 1. Then Q equals 1 minus P. Value of P is 1 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 5. LCM 5 minus 1. It means 4 by 5. Number of trials N equal to 4. What is your 20% of electric balls manufactured by a company are defective? Probability of defective blob is 1 by 5. And Q is 4 by 5. And N equals 4. I number. The probability that out of 4 balls chosen at randoms, 1 will be defective. It means R equal to 1. Our formula is C n comma R, Q to the power n minus R, P to the power R. C n comma R means C 4 comma 1. Q is 4 by 5, whole power is 4 minus 1, and P is 1 by 5, whole power is 1. 4 factorial over 4 minus 1 factorial times 1 factorial. 4 by 5 whole power cube multiply 1 by 5. This equals 4 multiply 64 by 1025 multiply 1 by 5. This means 256 over 624. 25. Second is the probability that out of 4 balls chosen at random, 0 will be effective, then P R equals 0. C 4, 0, Q to the power 4 minus 0, P to the power 0. C 4, 0, Q is 4 by 5, whole power is 4 minus 0, P is 1 by 5, 0, 4 factorial over 4 minus 0 factorial times 0 factorial, 4 by 5 to the power 4 multiply 1. This equals 1 multiply 4 to the power 4 is 256, 5 to the power 4 is 625 multiply 1. This equals 256 over 625. This is the probability that out of 4 balls chosen at random, 0 will be effective. Third, the probability that out of 4 balls chosen at random, at most 2 balls will be defective. At most 2 means only defective, either 0 balls or 1 or 2 balls, not more than 2. That is P bracket R is less equal to P bracket R equal to 0 plus P R equals 1 plus P R equal to 2. That is C 4, 0. Q is 4 by 5 to the power 4 minus 0. P is 1 by 5 to the power 0 plus C 4, 1. Q is 4 by 5 to the power 4 minus 1. P is 1 by 5 to the power 1 plus C 4, 2. Q is 4 by 5 to the power 4 minus 2 and P is 1 by 5 to the power 2. It means 4 factorial over 4 minus 0 factorial times 0 factorial 4 by 5 to the power 4 multiply 1 plus 4 factorial over 4 minus 1 factorial times 1 factorial 4 by 5 to the power 3 times 1 by 5 plus 4 factorial over 4 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial 4 by 5 to the power 2 1 by 25. 1 by 5 square is 1 by 25. This equals 1, 0 factorial is 1, 256 over 625 multiply 1 plus 4 multiply, this value is only 4, multiply 4 cube is 64 by 125 multiply 1 by 5 plus 6 multiply 4 square is 16, 5 is square is 25 multiply 1 by 25 and then here is there is some error there. This one is 25, this one also only 25, this is not. Look here, 625 is LCM, then here is 608 over 625. Question number 3. Or dice is rolls 3 times, getting 5 or 6 is number is success. Find the probability of getting 2 success. Second I 3 success. Solution. Or dice is rolls 3 times, it means n equals 3. Getting 5 or 6 is number is success. In dice there are 6 number. There is 5 or 6 number is success. Then P equals probability of success equals 2 by 6 equals 1 by 3. Then we have P plus Q equal to 1. Q equals 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 3. 3 is LCM. 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. I number. Probability of getting 2 success, P bracket R equal to 2. Then formula is C n comma R. q to the power n minus r, p to the power r, c n comma r is c 3 comma 2, q is 2 by 3, whole power is 3 minus 2, p is 1 by 3, whole power is r is 2, then 3 factor over 3 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial, 2 by 3 times 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9. There is 3 multiply 2 by 27. This means 3 9 is 27, 2 by 9. This is the answer. For second I, the probability of getting 3 success equals P bracket R equals 3. Here is value of R is 3. Then formula is C n comma R means C 3 comma 3. Q to the power n minus R. Q means 2 by 3 to the power 3 minus 3. P to the power R is 1 by 3 to the power 3. This one is 3 factorial over 3 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorials. 2 by 3 to the power 0. 1 by 3 to the power whole cube means 1 by 27. 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 by this one is 1. This answer is 1 by 27. This one also 1 by 27. Therefore, probability of getting 3 success is 1 by 27. यसरी यी क्वेसनहरु हेर्यो भने प्राय जसो प्रोबेबिलिटीको बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रिब्युसनबाट एउटा 4 मार्क्समा सोध्ने गर्छ र यस्तै क्वेसनहरु हेर्यो भने यस्तै क्वेसनबाट एउटा 4 मार्क्सको एक्जामको लागि तयारी हुन्छ। तर क्लास 12 साइन्सको विद्यार्थीहरु सबैले यस्ता क्वेसनहरुलाई अलि राम्रोसँग हेर्नेछन् भन्दै आज क्लासलाई मैले अन्त्य गर्छु। धन्यवाद।